Is your Hisense TV screen blinking, flashing, or randomly going black? Maybe you're seeing strange lines or brightness changes that won't stop. Before you assume the worst, take a breath. Many display problems are caused by small issues you can solve yourself without any special tools. Everything depends on whether the TV menu is still visible or not. Once you know that, you'll know exactly which fix to try. If the screen is black, heavily flickering, or you can't open the menu at all, start with a basic power reset. Turn the TV off and unplug it from the wall outlet. Leave it unplugged for 1 to 5 minutes. This clears temporary system glitches stored in the power board. After that, plug the TV directly into the wall, not into a surge protector or extension cord. Then turn it back on and see if the picture stabilizes. If the screen is still not visible, move to a power drain. Unplug the TV again and locate the physical power button on the TV itself. It may be on the front, back, or underneath the panel. Press and hold that button for 30 to 60 seconds. This helps discharge leftover electricity inside the internal components. Once done, plug the TV back into the wall and power it on to check if the issue is resolved. If power resets don't help, check the outlet itself. Plug the TV into a different wall socket to rule out unstable voltage. Avoid using extension cords during testing. If needed, reset the circuit breaker controlling that outlet. Then turn the TV back on and examine the display again. Next, disconnect all HDMI cables and external devices. Turn the TV on with nothing connected. A faulty HDMI cable or device can cause flickering even if the screen panel is fine. If the flickering stops, reconnect devices one at a time. Replace the HDMI cable and try a different HDMI port if necessary. If your TV has a physical reset pinhole, you can try that as well. Look for a small hole labeled reset. Straighten a paper clip and gently press and hold the button inside for about 15 seconds until the TV restarts. Allow it to reboot fully, then check the display. Now, if you can see the menu but the screen keeps flickering, the issue is likely related to picture setting. Press the home button on your remote. Go to Settings, then Device Preferences, and open Picture. Reset the picture settings to default. After that, make sure brightness isn't set extremely high or low, and switch between picture modes to see if stability improves. You should also disable motion enhancement features. Go back into picture settings and turn off ultra smooth motion and clear motion. These features artificially adjust frames and can sometimes cause flicker or flashing. If your TV has an ambient light sensor, disable that as well, since it constantly adjusts brightness and may create instability. If the issue remains, run the built-in picture test. Go to Settings, then Support, then Self-Diagnosis, and start the picture test. Follow the on-screen instructions. This helps determine whether the issue is related to settings or internal hardware. After that, check for system updates. Go to Settings, then Support, and open System Update. Manually check for updates and install any available firmware. Software updates often fix display driver bugs and stability problems. Once installed, restart the TV and test the screen again. If nothing fixes the issue, the final step is a factory reset. Keep in mind, this removes all apps and personal settings. Go to Settings, then Support, and select Reset or Self-Diagnosis and Reset. Follow the instructions to complete the process. After setup, check whether the flickering is gone. At this point, you've ruled out power issues, HDMI problems, picture settings, and software glitches. In most cases, one of these steps restores a stable screen. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful TV and tech tips. And let me know in the comments, is your screen fully black or just flickering? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.